Good morning, dear kids. I am your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Phul. Today, we are going to start a new poem from the book New Pathways. And the name of the poem is Save Each Drop. As the title speaks, Save Each Drop means here we are going to talk about the very essential thing of our life, and that is water. So, in this poem, we are going to learn that why water is important for all of us and why do we need to save it. At the same time, we will also learn that how we can save it. What are the measures to save water, and what can be done by us to save each and every drop of water. So now let us start with the reading of the poem. Save each drop. So dear kids, as you can see in the picture, there is a one little boy like you, and his father is also standing near the boy. So now let us see that what is happening in the poem. Ahan's brush goes up and down. As you see in the picture, this little boy is brushing his teeth. As we all know that when we brush our teeth, we have learned this in the kindergarten also, that when we brush our teeth, we take the brush from up to down position. So when we brush our teeth, it goes up and down. In the same way, Ahan, a little boy, he is brushing his teeth and his brush is going up and down. Suddenly, what happened? Papa calls out. Papa calls out. Papa came over there. Papa went to Ahan and he said, Papa calls out with a frown. Now, what is the meaning of the word frown? Frown means angry, we can say, or for simple words for grade 1 kids, you can say not happy. Not happy. So, when Ahan was brushing his teeth and his brush was going up and down, suddenly Papa calls out. Papa came and Papa calls out with a frown. It means Papa got angry, Papa was angry and he came. And then what happened? Then Papa said, the tap is flowing non-stop. As you can see in the picture, the tap is flowing non-stop. But if flowing means that water is coming out of the tap, and non-stop means without any stop, continuously. It means Papa got angry. Why did he got angry? Why did he get angry? Because when Ahan was brushing his teeth, he turned on the tap and water was coming out of the tap non-stoply. Continuously water was coming out of the tap. So then father said, Ahan, you must save each drop. Father said, Ahan, you must save each drop. So, father gave a lesson to Ahan and father said, Ahan, you should save each drop of water. So, dear kids, what we have learned in this stanza? Here in this stanza, we have learned that we should not waste water. And how can we save water? As a child, what you can do to save the water? What you can do that whenever you brush your teeth, you always turn off the tap. Turn on the tap only when it is needed. Only when it is needed. Otherwise, whenever you brush your teeth, never turn on the tap. Because in this way, we waste a lot of water. So, you should always turn off the tap while brushing. And next, let us see what happens in the next stanza. Here, as we can see that in the picture, Ahan is taking bath. He is in the bathtub. This is called bathtub. And mother is standing near Ahan. As you can see in the picture, there is lots of water on the floor also. तो बेटे आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा यहाँ पे देखिए, there is lots of water on the floor also. It means continuously water is flowing on the floor. So now let us read this stanza and let us know what is happening here. Ahan's shower pours like rain. But you all know that whenever we take bath in a shower, what happens? Water comes like rain. Water comes like rain. And like when we use bucket to take bath, when we use a bucket and mug to take bath, we do not waste water because only the needed or required water we use to take bath. But whenever we take bath using a shower, what happens? We waste a lot of water. So the same thing is happening here. Ahan is taking bath with a shower and water is coming like rain. As you can see in the picture, water is coming like rain out of the shower. So much water down the drain. Everywhere there is water and water. As you can see on the floor, there is lots of water. And so much water is coming down in the drain. Now, what is the meaning of drain? Let me show you in the picture that what is drain. Bache, this is what we call drain. This is what we call drain. We all see that in our kitchens, in bathrooms, and at many of the places, you must have seen this kind of, this instrument, we can say, or this object, or you can say this kind of thing. Okay? We call it a drainage system. It means this we use to water to escape the water from the bathroom. Okay? So when water goes into the drain, it doesn't get collected in the bathroom. So this is what we call drain. So here also mother is saying that water is coming down the drain. There is lots of water and it is going in the drain. Don't waste water. You must save it. And mother said to Ahan, Ahan, don't waste water. Don't waste water. You must save it. Water is very precious, so you must save it. Ahan, use a mug and bucket. Use a mug and bucket. So, bache, what we have learned in this stanza? Here we have learned that whenever we take bath, we should use a mug and a bucket. Do not use shower, because when we use shower, we waste a lot of water. So, bache, at your house, whenever you take bath, whenever your mother, father, they take bath, you tell them also that, Mama, Papa, please use a mug and a bucket to take a bath. So now, let us read the next stanza, the last one stanza of the poem. Here, we can see in the picture, Papa is washing the car. Papa is washing his car. Now let us read and let us see what happens in the stanza. Papa's car is getting a wash. It means Papa is washing his car. The hose pipe goes swish swash. The hose pipe. But this is the hose pipe. As you can see in the picture, this is the hose pipe. Let me show you one more picture so that it will become more clear to you. Yes, you see in the picture, this pipe is called hose pipe. Okay? This pipe we use to wash the cars. This pipe we use to plant the trees also, to water the plants also. So this pipe is called hose pipe. Now, let us learn. The hose pipe goes swish swash. That water is coming out of the pipe. Why water is coming out of the pipe? Because Papa is using a pipe to wash the car. पापा बेटे पाइप यूज कर रहे हैं कार वॉश करने के लिए. Papa, please use my mug and bucket. Now, Ahan got voice. Ahan has learned a lesson that we should not waste water. And the same lesson he is going to teach his father also. So, Ahan is saying, Papa, please use my mug and bucket. ठीक है? So, Ahan क्या बोल रहे हैं बेटे पापा को? पापा, please do not use the pipe. Do not use pipe. Use mug and bucket to wash the car. Don't waste water. We must save it. Papa, please don't waste water. We must save it. So here Ahan is requesting his father that father, Papa, please do not waste water. We must save it. So बच्चे, what we have learned from this poem? We have learned that water is very important for us. We cannot live without water. In the summer season, when it's very hot in the summer season, we feel so thirsty many of the time. So now you imagine yourself what happens if we do not get water to drink. What happens if we do not get water to wash our clothes, to wash our utensils. So water is very precious. Water is the most precious thing we have got from God. So everybody, this is what we have learned from the poem, that never waste water. So whatever we have learned from the poem, I hope you all are going to apply the same. Teach the same things to your parents, your mother, father, and if you find in your neighbor that somebody is wasting water, go and tell them that why water is important and we should not waste it. So I hope this poem is all clear to you, everybody. And this is your homework for today. Read this poem loudly and get every meaning of the poem. And read it by yourself. Try to read by yourself for the better reading practice also. So, this was your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Food. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.